To replace the fuel filter, you'll need to remove two underbody panels held in place by many screws, so we'll skip over that part. We're referring to this panel and then this one. Only then will you have enough space to access the fuel filter. The fuel filter bracket is held by three 10mm nuts, two on this side and one on the opposite side. You'll need an extension for that one. The bracket is released by pressing a plastic locking tab. Remove these T30 screws so you can rotate the filter, and then remove the green locking clip on the right side so you can press the white clip. Turn the filter clockwise and pull it until it releases. Insert the new filter until you hear it click, then turn it counterclockwise. For the right side, press the white clip and then pull out the fuel line. When you insert the hose into the new filter, you'll hear it click again. Secure the left side screw and reinsert the green clip on the right. Snap both halves of the bracket around the filter. Reattach the bracket to the chassis with the freed nuts and you're done replacing the fuel filter. To prime the fuel system, we used a multi-brand diagnostic tool. After priming, the engine started without hesitation. We do not recommend starting the engine without proper priming. That's all for today, friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to support our effort with a simple like, comment, share and subscribe. It's totally free. Goodbye.